Magic in the air. Oh, yes. Welcome to my channel, Mindfight Coach Sunita, MCS. Today, I'm so excited to share my success story of getting my Canada PR for myself as well as my all family members. Prerequisite for manifesting anything you want in your life starts with simple thought. Yes, simply you are thinking that you want this thing. Whether you got inspired from somewhere or somebody told you to have in your life, or you just want that particular thing. So, initial things, the seed is in your thought. Whatever you are thinking that, yes, I want it, from there the journey begins. So, you have a thought, I want this in my life, that this can be anything. Like for example, this time I wanted Canada PR for myself and my family. So that was a single simple thought. Then I start thinking in that direction, and this happens with everyone. Whenever you want something, you start thinking in that direction. But what happens next when you start telling the people around you that I want this in my life, and then what people say is, what an idea, it will not gonna happen. By simply thinking about something, you can get it. This is simply a myth. It happens only in stories, in movies, in dreams. It's not real. So if this happens with you, and this already is happening with you or happened with you, then do comment in the comment section below so that it resonates and I do align that yes, we all are sailing in the same boat. Yes, when problems are there, then the people around us say that same thing. Oh, by simply thinking you can get it. So do comment. Okay, so what happens when people say no, this cannot be possible, this is not happening? Then comes your belief system, that what you are believing, because what you hold in your head, you hold in your hand. So if you have a firm belief, if you have a faith in yourself and in your thought, then definitely you achieve it. How? So I'm not telling you something very new. The same thing is happening with every manifestation process, with everyone whosoever is following the law of attraction, the mindfulness, the reprogramming of subconscious mind. When you start thinking for one concept, for one object, whatever you need, then what happens? You need to know why you really need it. And once the why is clear, then half of the battle is won. Then you need not to focus on how, because you keep on getting the answers for how. So first step, you had clear crystal thought that you wanted. Second, you have firm belief system. And third, you know why you need it. Then the magic starts happening. Then you sit with yourself 5 minutes daily with that idea, with that thought. You call it meditation, you call it auto-suggestion, you call it sitting with yourself with that particular thought. When you start sitting with that thought, then you get inspired idea. You get something from somewhere, like somebody can call you, you can get a video on YouTube, you may, like right now you are having this video with me. So yeah, and anything you watched, something you watched on TV, anything popped up on Google, so you get an idea and you start working in that direction. And when you start working in that direction, you start taking actions, then there's no force in this universe that can stop you to attract. Basically, you are not chasing, you are attracting that in your life. Let's come to the point now for my success story of receiving my PR card. So, as I said, I got a thought, I wanted to move to Canada. I want my PR card for myself as well as for my entire family, but I'll be going alone. Why I'll be going alone and what I'll be doing alone over there. So, got a thought. First thing, I took a sheet of paper, A4 sheet of paper, I start writing. I remember red color paper, that was red color sheet, and a blue color pen. I start writing. First thing, I have received my PR card along with my family members on date, month and year. So be clear what I have written. I have received. I'm not writing I'm receiving, yeah, I'm getting, or I will get it. I have received. First statement. Second statement, then the inspired action or inspired thought that for Canada PR, I need to clear IELTS. So I have cleared IELTS with band 9 in dash month. Third, all WES process is done within 3 to 4 months. That is how I written randomly. Rest, all documentation part is prepared well versed smoothly, and it's all uploaded on the website by month and year. So these steps I have written, and the last line, that is the most important. Thank you universe, thank you God, thank you divine for giving me and my family Canada PR card. Gratitude, that is the utmost reason for receiving anything in your life. So this was the first step. Take a sheet of paper, write everything. Then second, because you have written something, you can forget. Human nature, we write and we forget. I wanted to continue. I wanted to see to that continuously daily. But again, life is not a cakewalk. Again, people around you. Why? I placed it on a wall in my family room, and why everybody is coming to the home, guests are coming, what they will say, no, remove it. Then the question comes, what shall I do? I want to read it daily. Okay, then again, for every problem, there is a solution. I found my Almira in my bedroom, and in that Almira, inside of the Almira, I placed that paper, and whenever I opening and closing the door, I was reading. But I made sure before sleeping, I was reading all those points in that paper. I hope the 2 steps are clear. Step 1, write on a sheet of paper. Step 2, read it daily. Wherever you place it, make sure you're able to read it daily. So these are the 2 steps I followed, and within 18 months, the card was there in my hand with me. That's how the journey of manifestation moves so smoothly and so easily when you believe it. So if you like the story, if you like this manifestation, then please comment and share it with your friends. And if you have any such similar situation, then write it to me. Don't forget to share and subscribe the channel. See you later. Take care. Magic in the air.